Howdy all. Short video today. I won a giveaway from Eve Large Conservative and Polar Bear, and I wanted to do a little unboxing and see what I got. And once I don't have a Polar Bear, but I do have a Pinky. Pinky came with our son, and so I've kept him for a while, and I'll probably keep him a while longer. So let's see what's inside. Surprised how big the box was. It's open. Let's see what we got here. We got a Minnie and Mickey. It was for this giveaway was for the Indianapolis 500, where EAC is based. And I got a Minnie and Mickey. Oh, I got another Minnie and Mickey. Give those to my kids. Got some orange cream can suckers. Lots of orange cream suckers. What else do we have in here? Some milk, simply required. Twin and Winning race car. Oh, more suckers. Let's see what's in this bag. Looks like some more Hot Wheels. Oh yes, more Hot Wheels. The Roadster Bite. Oh my, a micro machine. World's smallest. Great Gatspeed. What else do we have in here? Oh, even more candies. And last one, this one I'll just tear into. A sextant. How very cool. I love space stuff, so this will be awesome. And recently started teaching my daughter more about space and how we measure stuff. So this will be perfect for that, since our daughter is homeschooled. So thank you EAC for the sextant, the cars for my son, the candy for my wife and I, and the sextant for my daughter. And of course the milk, some assembly required.